Been needing one of these for a while. It's really small. Link will be in the description below, but this receives Bluetooth, and also whatever you put into it, it will transmit it somewhere. I've been looking at this box for a while, and it says it only lasts up to 5 hours. The online said it lasts up to 10. So that'd be an awesome thing to say, hey, you lied, return it. If it doesn't work right. Because I've heard that these, not this model at least, have a lot of delay in them. I'm going to be using it to, oh my gosh, it's so little, to be broadcasting. So I'm going to have audio going into it, and it's going to be broadcasting audio out. I do have my phone here so I can test if it's displaying, or putting out at least. Putting out. Looks like it's got the normal headphone jack, headphone to headphone, which means you can plug this into your CD player and then like this into that device, and then that thing will just send it to wherever you want it to go. It's kind of confusing how to say what you would need this for. USB-A to charging USB-C on this device. Here's the manual. No pictures. If you guys want to read it, pause it, screenshot it, look back over the screenshots. But you guys need another language. I don't know if you need this language. They totally skipped Spanish. Did they? Yeah. It's wild. I'm in America. I think Spanish would be the next best thing. Okay. So it's a lot smaller than what I thought. Has almost no weight to it. You can feel like the battery is about the size of my thumb at the bottom right there. Has a very good button though. Looks like we got a switch to flip it both ways. I really think the box picture is almost bigger than it. Okay, so you got a charge port and an in or an out, I'm assuming. So I don't really know which is receive mode. Is that what RC means? RX? Okay. So there's lights on this thing, I guess. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Blue, red, blue, red. It's trying to pair. Okay. What's it do when I flip it over there? It's doing the same thing. Let's go ahead and see if it's on my phone. My phone has a lot of Bluetooth devices, but maybe that one will be on there. Well, there's a lot of new things I've never seen. I'm gonna have to look it up real quick, what it's called. Right. Does not say what it's called. Look how many devices are on there. Well, I know it ain't no TV. Oh my gosh, look at all these. No, I don't want to pair with a... That could be it, though. A B... What's this thing even... What's its model number? Oh, it's a B10S. The one that was just trying to pair with me was the device. Come back. Got to scan again. Hopefully it pops up. So the only way I knew that is I looked at the model number on the back, B10S. Again, the link will be in the description below. It ain't on the list anywhere, but it did pop up trying to auto connect with my phone. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and pair, and it paired. Let's see, connected for audio. So it's sending, right? RX. So if I flip it that way, oh, it says I can switch it between headphones and speaker. So don't really know how to test this without getting in trouble with copyright stuff. Let's see, do I have anything? No, I don't. I really don't have anything. I have something that will turn on in no time. I actually just launched like a phone I haven't turned on in a very, very long time. Okay, I'm gonna shut this light off. Hopefully you guys can understand what's going on. I don't know how my phone's gonna be like, hey, let's play whatever audio is coming in. Let's go ahead and click that into there. So I have a switch here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the headphones out. I'm gonna turn it up all the way. Extended high volume listening may cause damage. Daring, good. I think there's a YouTube on here. I could just go and just start the software. I don't have time for this. So it's on TX, which is transmitting as far as I know. So right now it's headphones. Alright, a system update. I guess I was not ready for this. No, I don't. Just play something. Weather storms. Perfect. Weather storms and tornadoes. Something that's longer than a minute. What's going on? I didn't say to do that. So, how do we get... I'm kind of not catching on. Should I be playing through my phone, or should I go get headphones? Let's flip this over to RX. What's it saying on my Bluetooth? Not really doing anything. Does this actually have sound? If I pull that out? Yes, it definitely has sound. Okay. So, let's just go get a headset and try it out, I guess. So we're gonna have to shut the Bluetooth off on this, cover up that for copyright issues. I wonder how you'll connect it with a Bluetooth headset. Okay, so I got my Stealth here. I don't know what headset I got here. Got a headset. It's Bluetooth. Still Series Nova 7s. I'm going to put them on my head, but I do have a Bluetooth button I hit right here, but I want to listen for everything that goes on. I'll tell you what's going on. Searching. Holy cow. It connected to this. No joke, it connected to this. I didn't think it would work that well. Hold on. Yeah, good. I'm amazed. Bluetooth lights kicking on right there. Can't believe that worked. I'm gonna go ahead and see if there's a delay. Guess I should go back to where there was talking. His audio is not that good. Let's go to the same video. Yeah, that works. I don't want twisters. I want something where I know the audio's working. It's kind of cutting out a little bit. Perfect. That's Rick. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this to see what. I think it automatically knows. I just flipped it over and it's still transmitting. It's working really well. I can turn it up and down on the switch. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. Oh, it's still connected. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna shut it off. It's shut off. No blinky lights. I'm gonna shut off my headset, see if it repairs. I really expected a lot of problems with this, but nothing yet. So it works good with a headset, but I don't think it transmits to this. You probably gotta have an app or something. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my headset back on Bluetooth. I only turned it on, I did not tell my headset to pair. Is it gonna reconnect? Doesn't look like it's gonna reconnect. I'm going to hold on my Bluetooth headset and it shuts off. I'm gonna hold it again to turn it back on and make it search. The headset ain't wanting to turn back on. It's in search mode. Did we just get lucky that one time? Well, it sure did work that one time. I want to shut this off and then turn it back on, see if that makes a difference. What are you blinking red at me for? There's blink codes on it I seen. Did I turn my headset on though? No, it's still searching. Shut it off again. I'm just gonna try different things to see. I don't see why it connected the first time and won't connect now. Shut my headset off again, turn it back on. Headset searching. Maybe someone else is trying to connect to it. Wouldn't that be weird? This could actually connect to it because it's got some weird Bluetooth audio thing on it now. Maybe it can't be plugged in. I know it seemed pretty easy the first time, didn't it? Or no, it worked once. Well, it's still trying to pair. You guys could see it blinking. Let's go ahead and look at the instructions in English. Doesn't even tell you how to pair anything, it just tells you what the blinking lights mean. No? Did it just reconnect again? You know I gotta try that again. I know I'm boring you guys to death, but it was not very convenient for the repair what it just did. Yeah, it's doesn't matter which, no matter what that's on it, it just knows. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shut my headset off again. Let's see what it does. It paired to it without. Okay, I do like the grip that's on this thing. It's very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Shut that video off. Turn my headset on. It paired instantly. Awesome. I don't know what the hiccup was there. Not gonna say it's not gonna happen again. Yep, it's working perfect. So now let's go ahead. I'm pretty sure my headset has. Yep, it has a jack on it. So let's go ahead and pull that jack out, put that in there, and it don't fit. So how are we gonna do that? Well, I was gonna test the other thing, but guess we don't have to. That's weird. It just unconnected. I turned my headset back on, and it's doing the same thing again. I would say you're gonna have problems with it, but it did connect to my headset. So what I'm going to be using it for is I have the switch hooked up to a recorder, but my recorder is actually delayed. It reconnected. Cool. Is actually delayed, so I'm hoping to plug this in before my recorder on the switch, because the way I'm actually it's on my Wii, I actually need it to be before the recorder, because the recorder is delayed, and every time I'm playing a game, the audio I'm getting is after it goes through the recorder to my computer. It's a half a second delay, so I need this before that, and then it Bluetooths to the headset I already have on that I'm actually using to talk to you guys. And if you guys want to see if it works well, it will be on my Harry Potter Sorcerer's Stone video that's coming out this weekend. Thanks for watching.